الرحمن الرحيم. هنكمل درس اليوم. احنا كنا خدنا الانترودكشن، تمام. خدنا امس الليسننج. اليوم بنكمل الجزء الثاني منه، وهو الجزء الخاص بالبير وورك. في البير وورك هنا مطلوب منك ايه؟ الناس بدأت تيجي اهو. هلا حمود، كيف حالك؟ طيب البير وورك هنا بيقول، مش عارف الظاهر عندي الآن. شوف الكتاب. طيب هنا يا شباب في البير وورك، معلش عشان مش ظاهر عندي في الاسطوانة. بيقول لي هنا answer the questions at the end of each text and discuss. Express your opinion and agree or disagree. Use phrases from the text or from the box. نشوف كده، نرجع لنص من النصوص. مثلا النص الأولاني اللي كان بيتكلم على البيبر والإلكترونيك بوك. هنا بيقول لك the paper versus e-book اللي هو إلكترونيك بوك debate. كلمة debate بمعنى discussion، يعني الجدل اللي حاصل ما بين الكتب الورقية والكتب الإلكترونية، which has been going on for several days, yes, for several years. والجدل ده بقاله سنوات عديدة جدا. doesn't seem to serve any real purpose، يعني لا يجدي بأي خدمة أو أي غرض. Digital has become an integral part of life. كلمة integral means necessary or as provided as part of something necessary or important in our life. Digital means electronic book or refers to electronic book. So much so that we fail to notice it. Hard copies refers to the paper box. On the other hand, are still available, but for how long? This is the question. But for how long? How long the copies, the box with paper, how long are still available? This is a question which need your opinion. So here we are discussing how to express opinion, feeling and preference, agreeing and disagreeing. Look at this table or box. When you ask someone about his opinion, you use one of these questions. What do you think of? If I ask you, for example, what do you think of electronic book? What do you think of electronic book? Or what do you think of the paper? In your opinion, in your answer, you can use one of these answers. I think it's interesting, or I think it's an amazing achievement for electronic book. So you can use one of them to answer the question about your opinion. Another question, what's your view on? What's your view on electronic book? What's your view on the paper versus electronic book debate? In this, you can use one of these answer also. For example, I am not sure. I can see why the electronic book important, but I can't see eye to eye with you that paper are important or necessary or as we said, integral in our life. Now I want you to participate. One answer and another one to one ask and another one to answer using any other picture or any other text from previous exercise. Okay, let's start now. I will open your microphones. Okay, your microphones are open now. You can open them. Okay, who can share us?
Me.
Okay, who is talking?
Me, Yusuf.
Yusuf. Okay, Yusuf. What will you ask about, Yusuf?
What do you think of work of tourism? Tourism.
Ecotourism.
Yes.
Yes, ecotourism. It's near to tourism, but it important or it talk about.
Amazing an achievement.
I want to say that ecotourism, visiting places, but the places which are related to environment and some places which are
Yes.
far away. Okay,
Yes.
this is ecotourism.
Yes.
Traveling for long.
Of course.
Okay, Abdullah, welcome, Abdullah. Okay, thank you, Yusuf, for your questions. Who can answer, Yusuf, please? Yusuf said, what do you think of ecotourism? Who
السلام
can
عليكم
answer
يا
him?
أستاذ.
No one.
Okay, who can answer, Yusuf, please?
Can I
Use
answer?
one of these answers.
Can I answer?
السلام عليكم.
ورحمة الله وبركاته.
سلام.
Who can answer, يا شباب? Guys, who can answer, Yusuf? What do you think of ecotourism?
Can I answer, Mr.
السلام عليكم.
Is it interesting or not? ورحمة الله وبركاته.
It's an amazing achievement.
Yeah, achievement
Yes, it's amazing achievement.
or amazing experience in your life. It provides you with a lot of experience, as we read yesterday. Okay, to observe and experience life and cultures in a natural and often disturbed location. Okay, Yusuf, thank you, Yusuf. Okay, another way to give your feeling or opinion, you can use these expressions. Don't you think it's an interesting, original, blah, blah? And the answer is no, not really. We are on the same page here. We use this expression, we are on the same page here, if you agree with someone, okay? If you agree with his opinion, you say, we are on the same page here. I see your point, but if you don't agree, you put but and put your opinion after but. I have no doubt that your view is valid, but I personally feel that, and give your opinion here. I admire people who and give your opinion, but I can't see myself doing it. Which would you choose? I prefer your opinion. I think I'd opt. I'd opt means I prefer or I like for, and give your opinion, go for example, go for conventional travel. This is the expressions used to give or express your opinion, feeling, preference, and how to agree or disagree with someone about something. Okay, exercise 3, conversation. In this exercise, we will listen and practice reading the conversation in pairs, then act it out. We will listen first, listen carefully to the conversation. After listening, I want two of you to practice this conversation, okay? Let's listen.
Mister, there is no sound.
manuscript, guys, manuscripts means the paper which are written by hand. Okay, so manuscript اللي هي written by hand يعني بنسميها in Arabic مخطوطات. Okay, so he said to him, the librarian, the man who is responsible for the books inside the library, says that he is not allowed to photocopy all manuscripts. يعني غير مسموح له انه يصور المخطوطات دي داخل المكتبة. Okay, let's complete listening. Okay, guys, now I'll give you the opportunity to practice reading this conversation again. Okay, who can read this? You can open your mind now. Your
Can I
mind.
read, Mister, or no?
Who can read with Yusuf? I want another one. Who can read with Yusuf? Another one يا شباب. واحد كمان هيقرا معاه. One librarian and another one Hashim.
Read you, Mister, with me.
I want another one from this group. We have Hamoudi, Abdullah, Fawaz Al-Ammar, Naif,
Me.
Turki, Salim. Okay, who can read with Yusuf again, please?
Me.
Okay, Hamoudi, start Yusuf and Hamoudi. Yusuf, you are the librarian, and Hamoudi is
Hashim.
Hashim. Okay, start now.
Can I help you?
Could you please tell me where I can fill the
Biology,
and research
documents. Yeah.
What exactly are you looking for?
It's about a sickness project, and I need to gather information in order.
Information in order, yeah.
To create a timeline for logically research over the last 16 years or so.
I see. That must be interesting. It can't be easy to collect all information and choose the key item you need, but I am sure you will manage. Go to Asil 5 and look up the biology section.
Go to slowly, Yusuf, please. Go to aisle 5.
Go to Asil
aisle 5. Aisle means the passage or the path which you walk on, okay, or walk through to go to another place.
Okay.
Go to aisle 5.
Aisle 5 and look up for the biology section. I am sure you will find what you need. But what you will need.
I hope so. Thanks for your help.
One more thing, the researcher documents are in the reference section. You have to sign and get a key. You can look up what you need and read documents in the reference section, but you mustn't taking anything out.
Can I photocopy any
Photocopy.
pages?
Photocopy any
Photocopy
pages.
any
يعني هل مسموح لي بالتصوير يعني يقصد كده.
You will have to
Librarian.
check with me first. You are not allowed to photocopy old manuscripts.
Manuscripts, yeah.
I understand. Thanks again.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Yusuf, and thank you, Hamid. Now, after reading this, next exercise, listening again. I don't want this. Let's see. Next one here. Okay, if you want to ask or give information, look at this table. You will find some expressions which you can use to ask and give information or instruction. For example, if you ask someone about information, you can say, could you please tell me where I can? Okay. For example, if you search about an English book or a story about or something from the history, you can the librarian. Could you please tell me where I can find the historical books? Okay, or where the historical box or the science box is. Okay, if he wanted to give you the directions inside the library, go to aisle 5 or go to next row or something like this and walk down aisle, for example 3, and turn right or turn left and so on. Okay, so this is how to give directions or give instructions and how to ask it and give information. Another one, you can say, what exactly are you looking for? Information, data, it's a project that I need. Asking permission. Can I photocopy? If you want someone to permit you to do something, you can say, can I? Okay. As Hisham asked the librarian in the conversation, he asked him, can I photocopy? Am I allowed to? Is it all right if I? All these are used for permission or for asking permission. Obligations, ability, and prohibition. اللي هو الإلزام والمنع والقدرة. Obligation هنا يعني حاجة إلزامية، والprohibition اللي هي المنع أو التحريم. ممكن تستخدم one of these expressions. You have to or you need to sign up here. يعني sign up يعني يوقع مثلا على ورقة أو شيء. You mustn't take anything out or you mustn't touch anything. مش مسموح لك بلمس شيء أو take anything, or you mustn't photocopy any paper here. You are not allowed to. You are not allowed يعني غير مسموح لك. Okay. اليوم يا شباب بنكتفي بالقدر ده، وإن شاء الله you will complete exercise for tomorrow إن شاء الله.